Shahil, you have joined? Very good. Okay, Shahil. Shahil has joined.
Yeah.
And who else? Shahil. Okay, some more people are coming. Nikita. Okay. Many people are joining with short notice. Very nice. Very nice. We shall discuss some points now, Nikita. We can discuss some points now. Whoever have joined, I'll be responding to your questions, whatever doubt you're having in final account of partnership firm. So already 6 students have joined, and now let us start talking. I gave the time 8:30. It's now 8:30. Anybody comes? Are you hearing me? Are you hearing me? Am I audible?
Yes,
Am I?
sir.
Okay, okay,
Yes,
okay.
sir.
Okay, please write in the chat box loud and clear. If you find me loud and clear, please LC. Write in the chat box LC. Please write LC in the chat box. I'll get to know that everybody hearing me. Write in the chat box LC. LC. Very good, very good, very good. Okay, very good. This way, whenever I get time, I'll be giving this way to you. And sometimes if you feel that you need my class, you can send me a message. Sir, please take a class today or tomorrow, like that. I'll be responding definitely. I have no problem like that, but that request should come from your side also. That will be giving me more motivation of taking these types of classes. But I want to take some more frequent classes, not only once in a week. I'm interested to take more classes because once in a week it doesn't give me satisfaction. Okay, so at the very beginning, as I told you that I start my class with a 30-second meditation. So how many of you like it to start like that with 30-second meditation? Right, please me. If you're interested to start with 30-second meditation for concentration, please write me. Please write me. I want to start my class with 30-second meditation. Please write me. Thank you very much. If you don't know the system, you learn how I'm doing it. And if you know the system, then just follow me. Those who are new, you can just follow today how I do. And those who are not new, just do as I am doing. So what I have to do, I have to take 30-second meditation. So take off your specs, like take off your specs first, take off your specs, everybody, and close your eyes, fold your hands, and concentrate on Almighty God and express your thanks and gratitude for everything you have got in life. Take your parents' blessings by touching their feet mentally, because parents are the topmost God. Take your parents' blessings by touching their feet mentally. Feel that all positive energy entering your mind and you are becoming stronger. Whatever you discuss today, we shall remember forever. Concentrate now. Rub your hands. Very hardly rub your hands. It will be warm. Then the warm hand you touch your eyeballs, touch your cheeks like this, little bit massage this way, and 30 seconds you are outside this world, your closed eyes, your eyes are closed, and now once again you look and you with a smiling face open your eyes and see this world once again. So for 30 seconds you went out of this world to some other world I took you. Those who have followed it very sincerely, remember it gives lots of mental strength, it gives lots of power, and it helps you to concentrate. And concentration is most important thing, because whatever I'm teaching here, even if you take the book and study all these things, you can also learn these things, but it will take a lot of time. But if I sit with you, if you sit with any teacher for say 40 minutes, that will give you most of the knowledge in a capsule way. Many things will be learning in a very short time. And at the same time, what this 40 minutes is most important, is more important than anything else, because the other time that you are having, you're studying yourself, that is a different time, or just you're having, but now you are with the teacher. When teacher and students are there together, then something new comes out, you can learn a lot. But the most important condition is that your concentration should be there. If your concentration is there, even see, I have also concentrate, otherwise I'll be teaching you, I'll be thinking something else, it will be all meaningless. So if I concentrate, you concentrate, then out of this class something new will be coming, some transformation will be there in your brain, the new things will be there, brain new thoughts will be coming. Whatever I be teaching, beyond that also you will be learning something, you will be, some new thoughts will be coming to you, some inspiration which will help you. So concentration matters most. Please, if you agree, concentration matters most. How many of you agree? Please write CMM, type CMM. Concentration matters most. Please write CMM. Concentration matters most. Please write, type in the chat box CMM. CMM means concentration matters most. And see, I am asking you to write it. The moment you write it, it affects on your brain. That's why I am telling this way. It's very much psychological. The concentration matters most. The moment you are writing with your own finger, typing with your own finger, it means that you are very much concentrated. These are having, many people may think it's like playing only, meaningless only, joke only, but no, it's a very much scientific reason is there. And for that, I'm doing this test of meditation. Thank you. So we are having 7 students here. Let's start something, and you can unmute and talk to me also. And today, let us get confined to partnership fund account only. So you can ask me about partnership fund account, and even I'll be talking which point you find difficulty here, because in partner it will be two-way traffic. Even you shall be talking and I shall also be talking. So can you see my screen? Just tell me, can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
I have taken a white page here only, and I'll try to do something which I do in the blackboard in the class. But here I have no blackboard, and many people say that it is not possible to uh, teach and learn practical accountancy in this online system. And but I don't believe that. I believe that whatever you try, if your concentration is there, if there is good understanding between you and your teacher, then anything can be possible. Because I want to teach you practically, sincerely, and you want to learn sincerely, so there should not be any problem. So see, I have written it: profit and loss appropriation, trading and profit and loss account. Have you seen that? Just tell me, you can see that.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Keeping this in front, we shall be going ahead. It is not that whatever I am typing here, this is the only class. No. When I am doing it, some new things will be coming, because you also know it. It will be written like this. You also know it. But I writing these things because when I'm writing these things, you are thinking. Then I told you the concentration matters most. So you concentrate. Some new points will come to your mind, and you can ask me, and discussion shall go ahead. So in case of partnership, what do you want to write here? Trading and profit and loss account and profit and loss appropriation account. Do you write this way, or you write this way only? Tell me. Please tell me, you write this much only, or how you write? And at the top you have to write, this topic is done. No, this topic is being done, or what? Final account. See, earlier I taught you. Earlier I taught you. Okay, some new students are coming. Earlier I taught you profit and loss appropriation account, and now I am taking. Although Madam is also teaching you, no problem. Name of the farm will be coming here. I'm going by just example. So here it will be. It is being done by the by Madam also, right? One person may be talking to me for feedback. Are you hearing me? Are you hearing
Yes,
me?
sir.
Okay. So Madam is also
Yes,
doing
sir.
this. Madam is also doing this chapter, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, no issue. No issue. And one more thing, I have already taught you profit and loss appropriation account. That is okay. That is also important for exam. Only profit and loss appropriation account. I showed you how capital accounts are made. Capital accounts are made in two way. One is in capital accounts are fixed, and other is capital accounts are fluctuating. Those things I have given you YouTube videos. I have given you my recorded videos also. You please go by the videos, and one live class I shared last week. And today again I am doing this live class. So here at the beginning, I'm doing today the complete problem. The complete, although I'm not having question with me, no need. You can get the question. So I have to write the name of the farm first. If anything wrong, can tell me. And then trading and profit and loss account. You can also write trading and profit and loss account, trading and profit and loss appropriation account. That also you can write here. But this is sufficient. In case of companies, they don't write here trade profit and loss account and profit and loss appropriation account. It's not written. Like this only covers. So let us do profit and loss, trading and profit and loss account. Just let us recap, because this is done in HS first year also. So let us recap this. So how I am just trying to do something which is not possible generally. One, two, one, two. How many columns you need? One, two, three, four. Okay, four columns will be there. Okay, these things you know how to draw, no issue. But still, I am just putting it here. And any point comes to your mind, you please ask me. You ask me. Just I want to ask you a question. You can ask me, so that we shall go ahead with the discussion, because many things I'm going to do here you already know. So this is, first you write particulars, particulars. I've written. This also I write particulars. Particulars I've written. And you know these things. Here I'll write amount. Amount I have written, shortcut. Amount I have written. And here also amount. Let me write you amount. Amount I have written. And in bracket you have to give rupees, you know. There's no doubt. So this side is debit. Debit you know. And this side will be credit. That also you know. Uh, yeah. Credit you know this side. Yeah. So debit and credit you have to write, and after that we shall make your trading and profit and loss account. Let's go below like this. So what is that first item comes here? Can you tell me? In trading account from the question, whatever question you can take. I'm not taking a question, but just imagine anybody can tell me what item comes first. Anyone may tell me.
Sir, opening balance.
Opening stock. Okay, opening stock, very good. So this way I love to hear you also. You shall also tell me, and we shall try to do something here. To opening, sorry, to opening stock. To opening stock, you write a figure here, suppose 20,000. Okay, done. So first item will be to opening stock. You should find it from your question, and opening stock will be coming only one place, here only. And after that, anyone may, we are doing trading account. So after that, anyone may tell me what item I should write here. Tell me left hand side, what
Sir,
item?
purchase.
Very good, very good. Two,
Sir, purchase.
yeah. Two. From your HS first year ideas, you can tell me. And regarding purchase, you know, and there may be return outward. Everybody knows it. If there is no return, purchase will be coming directly outside. But if there is return, then you have to write here purchase, say 50,000. Say 50,000. Let me a bit smaller. Let me make these things a bit smaller. It's too big. And ask you whether you can see this. Is it visible or problem? Okay, no?
No, sir, it's okay.
Okay. So to purchase I have written, to purchase I have written, and there is return outward. So return outward. You just imagine there is a question. I don't need question. You also don't need question for understanding these things. I'm sure about it. So less, just you learn which item comes to a less returns. Yes, some more students are coming. Very good. Nishant has come. Very good, Nishant. Welcome. So returns, RTURNS, returns outward, outwards. So if you do these things, then you'll never forget. These things you shall, from the video, you can again see, I'll share the video. You can again write from your own, you can write these things and learn. So let's suppose that return outward is 5,000. Return outward is 5,000. I've written. So after that, what you have to do, after you have to give a line here. You have to give a underline. All of you know it, HS first year. But if anybody is having doubt anywhere, you are feel free to ask me that. So let us write a 45,000. So this is done. Can you tell me what more item will be coming here in trading account? Anybody? It will be talking and listening, and that is two-way traffic. Tell me, please. Anyone? Jyoti? Are you hearing me? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please tell. One person, please tell. Even if it is wrong, no problem. You tell what item may come here. You trade, you find it's a different type of testing exercise. See, I'm not giving you question, but you have to remember and tell me. Anyway, let us say it is wages. Accepted? Wages? Let us see it is wages. Wages. And if there is outstanding wages, you know what will happen? Everybody knows outstanding wages. If it is given outstanding wages, Outstanding is added or deducted? Who will tell me? Outstanding is added or deducted? Suppose wages is 10,000. I have written here. And there is, suppose, outstanding wages. Everybody knows what is outstanding wages? Tell me who doesn't know. Shahil, do you know what is outstanding wages?
Yes, sir.
Tell me what?
Sir, the wages which are not paid yet.
Very good. Very good. This way you keep on talking to me, then I'll be going very fast. Outstanding. Out. After this, now you practice from a book and make a list of your doubts, and then we shall discuss your doubts. Today I am just going this way. So suppose there is 2,000 outstanding wages. It will be coming here. It will be added, and outstanding wages is given in adjustment. So where it will go next? Again, whatever is given in the adjustment, you all know it is given two treatments. Correct? Given two treatments. So outstanding wages, it is given in adjustment also. So it has been first added here, and after that, where it will go? Who can tell me? You know, all adjustment amounts, adjustment items come twice. So outstanding wages is given in the adjustment. So it has come here first, then where it will go? Jyoti.
Sir, balance sheet.
The balance sheet.
Balance sheet liability side. Very good. And suppose if outstanding wages are given in trial balance only, then you cannot give it two times. It will go to one times only. Where it will go then?
The trading account.
No, no. Who said Jyoti? No, Jyoti. Who said? Please tell your name also.
Sir, I.
Okay.
Sir.
Okay. So outstanding wages, if it is given in the adjustment, it will come in two places. First, it will be added to the wages or to any other item for which it is connected, and then it will go to the balance sheet liability side. So adjustment items come two times. HS first year knowledge. And then if outstanding wages are given in the trial balance only, you cannot give it two times. You have to give it only one times, and that one time will be only in balance sheet liability side. Not here, Jyoti, not here. If outstanding wages are given in only trial balance, it will go to balance sheet liability side only. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next question. I'll be sharing this recorded video with you all, and you can repeatedly watch it for these points. And today, see, I have taken this question trading account. It is not that I can do trading, profit and loss, appropriation, balance sheet, everything. I cannot complete in this class. But don't worry. Whatever points are clear here, that is good. Next day, again, I take this point only, and new points will be coming. And that way, your doubts will be clear. Maybe in HS first you have learned certain points, but those points are again not clear. But you feel free asking me those questions here, and you can later on give me your feedback, and accordingly I'll improve my class. Let me take here one more item here. Let me take what item to take here. Give me another item, anyone? Give me an item in trading account. Okay.
Sir, carriage.
Carriage. Very good. Very good. CARRIAGE. Carriage inward, right? Carriage inwards. And
Yes.
carriage outwards goes in profit and loss account. You know, everybody? Carriage outward goes in profit and loss account. Everybody knows it. So very good. It's a revisional class. Okay. So carriage inward I have given here, and suppose there is prepaid carriage in the adjustment. Prepaid carriage inward in the adjustment. So prepaid is added or deducted? Who will tell me? Anybody? Prepaid carriage will be deducted. So let me less here. Less prepaid. Prepaid. Prepaid less prepaid. Suppose it is 1000 given in the adjustment. Actually, I am clearing these points in the question. I am taking this an illustration only, but my concentration is clearing these types of adjustments and other points, and most importantly, whatever your doubts are there. So it will be 4000. So it is 4000. I've deducted. Now I want to ask you, prepaid expenses given in the trial balance. Sorry, adjustment. It will be 2 times. One, it will be deducted from the particular item, and then it will be going to balance sheet. Which side? Tell me.
Sir,
Balance
asset.
asset side. Very good. So prepaid will be going to balance sheet asset side, because prepaid is an asset. And then if prepaid expenses given in the trial balance only, if prepaid expenses are given in trial balance only, where it will go?
balance sheet,
Balance sheet which side?
asset,
Yes, very good. Directly it will go to balance sheet asset side. Then buy sales. I have given right side buy sales. You also know it. And there is return inward. So return inward, all of you know, will be deducted from here. Returns, RTURNS, returns inwards. Inwards. Suppose return inward is 5000. So it will be deducted from here. It will be deducted from here. Return inward 5000 has been deducted from here. So we are getting 95,000 outside. If any question comes to your mind, you please write that question, and you can ask me when I'll give you the time for asking. Okay, let me make it smaller. Done. Next item, what comes in trading credit account? Credit side. Tell me, what item comes here? Who will tell me?
closing stock,
Closing stocks comes here. Always closing stock comes here. Closing stock. Okay, I'm writing closing stock. CLOSI. Closing stock. Suppose it is 15,000. Okay, 55,000. Okay. Suppose no other item is given in trading account. So then you have to total it. You have to total it here. How much is coming? Tell me. 1,50,000. 1,50,000 is total here. 1,50,000. And left side also will be 1,50,000 here. Done. Now, what is the gross profit? Can anybody tell me? Gross
Sir,
profit,
69,000.
correct? Okay, I have not checked. To gross profit, CD or transfer to PL account. What you want to write? Gross profit CD or gross profit transfer to profit and loss account? Which you prefer to write?
Sir, profit and loss account. Profit and loss.
Transfer. Okay. Gross profit transferred to profit and loss account. Profit and loss account. How much you told me?
Sir, 69,000.
Okay. 69,000. 69,000. Very good. Now we shall do profit and loss account. So this is actually you have already learnt in HS first year, but I am taking it just a revision. So here you write by net profit transferred from
Sir,
yes, yes, please.
I think it will be gross profit.
Yeah, you are right. Thank you very much for your concentration. Very much. This is a very good quality. Thank you very much. I loved it. Let me reduce it. 116 I give. Okay. By gross profit transferred, FPRRET transferred from trading account. So let us write here 69,000. 69,000. Okay. Now you write all types of expenses this side and all types of income will be this side. So what will be here? 2, give me one item. 2,
Sir, salaries account.
very good. Salaries. 2 salaries. Now salaries, suppose it is 10. How much time is running out of time? We have not taken much time, no? It is, they are saying running out of time. Okay. It is 45 minutes meeting. Why it is running out of time? Okay. So 2 salaries, 10,000. Okay. If there is outstanding salary, again you add here outstanding salary. Outstanding. Add outstanding. Suppose 5,000. 5,000. So these two you total and put it out. Okay. Okay. So it is, we are getting 15,000 here. 15,000. Done. Right. One more item here. Tell me one more item here.
Sir, rent account.
Very good. Very good.
Sir, rent account.
Yeah. Okay, I've written shortcut. Suppose rent account does not have any item like outstanding and all. Rent account is clearly given. Suppose rent account is clearly given. Suppose it is 5,000. Okay, one more item. Tell me expenses. One more item to expenses. Who will tell me?
Sir, depreciation.
Very good. Depreciation. 2 DEPRECIATION. Suppose depreciation on what? On, you give a asset name. Depreciation on, suppose furniture.
Sir, machinery.
Okay, machinery. Fine. I am writing yours. MERY. Machinery. Machineries. So it is, suppose depreciation on machinery. It will again go to the balance sheet also. It will also go to the balance sheet and be deducted from the machinery. It will be deducted from the machinery. So depreciation is 6,000. Okay, a little bit misadjustment. No problem. Don't worry. I'm doing as I do in the balance sheet. I mean, as I do in the blackboard, I'm trying to do the same thing here. Okay, give me one more item. One more item. Okay, give me one income item.
Sir, advertisement.
Okay, I'm writing advertisement first. Advertisement. To advertise and T. Advertisement, suppose it is 3,000. You do one thing. See, I am doing it here today, but all your doubts, everybody, at home before my next class, you make a note of the doubt, list of the doubts. And in these types of classes, I'll be giving frequently, and you can ask me your doubts this way. You can ask me your doubts. So advertisement. Suppose there is an income item. One income, can you tell me one income item will be coming to the right hand side? If there is an income, it comes to the right hand side. Any item?
Discount receipt.
Discount receipt, very good. Discount CIV. Discount receipt. Suppose anybody has come or not? The students are leaving. Sahil, students are not interested. What? Then no need to take some classes. Students have left. Many students have left. They're not interested.
Sir, they are
Sir?
interested. Maybe there is some other works.
Or network issue, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I encourage you to attend these classes because you also tell me so that see you attend several classes and maybe in certain classes you don't have a doubt, but in certain other classes you can get some doubts clarified that way. So the continuous process. So suppose no other item, okay? Let us leave it here only. Suppose no other item is there. So in that case, you total it. Total right side, you total right side. 70,
Sir,
80,000.
80,000.
80,000. 80,000 here also. Okay, 80,000. And please tell me the net profit. To
Sir, 51,000.
okay, to net profit transfer to PL appropriation account. Let me write a shortcut. PL APPROPRIATION. PL appropriation account. How much you told me?
Sir, 51,000.
Okay. So I'm writing your figure. So this is PL appropriation account and trading and profit and loss account is over now. Trading and profit and loss account is over. So here you see I have taken very simple some items, but this way your doubts will come to your mind, and those doubts you can ask me today also, during the class, later on also, no problem. Now let me go to another point, and this discussion is very important, this types of. So hope you're liking the class this way, sudden notice class. Tell me anyone, hope
Yes,
you're
sir.
liking. Okay. Okay, please keep on joining my classes. I'll be giving you many more points. So it is not coming. Okay. So let me card this side. Let me do it here. Profit and loss appropriation account. I want to make it here. Profit and loss appropriation account. This I have already taught you. ROPRIATION. Profit and loss appropriation account. Oh, you have to give for the year ended, right? I didn't give there also. For the year end, DED, year ended, give the date. For the year ended 31st March 2021. So this should have been above also. This should have been above also. Here also it should have been here also. Okay, I have given it. Okay, I have given it. Okay. Done. Now in PL appropriation also, you have to draw these types of tables. So this is table. Let me copy from above only. For me, it is easy. It is very easy for me to copy from here. I'm copying these things here. You are learning computer also, those you don't know. And it will be coming here. It will be coming, sorry. It will be coming here. Fine. So first item will be coming here. Tell me what? In PL appropriation account, what items comes first?
Sir, by net
Sir,
profit.
profit.
Correct. It's getting some problem. Anyway, it will be here by net